Beginner's Guide to Meditation. First Steps to Serenity. Meditation has increasingly become an essential practice in our fast-paced world. For beginners, it offers a path to mental clarity, stress reduction, and inner peace. If you're new to meditation, you're in the right place. This comprehensive beginner's guide will introduce you to easy yet effective techniques to embark on your journey towards serenity. What is meditation? Meditation is a mindful practice that involves focusing your mind and eliminating distractions to achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm state. Regular meditation can transform your overall well-being and enhance your daily life. Benefits of meditation. 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. Regular meditation lowers cortisol levels, significantly reducing stress and anxiety. 2. Improves focus and concentration. Meditation enhances your attention span and cognitive abilities. 3. Enhances emotional health. It encourages positive thinking and emotional resilience. 4. Boosts physical health. Studies link meditation to lower blood pressure, improved sleep, and better immune function. Preparing your meditation space. To meditate effectively, create a dedicated space that is quiet, comfortable, and free from distractions. Consider adding elements like cushions, candles, or calming decor to enhance tranquility. Choosing a meditation style. There are several meditation styles suitable for beginners. 1. Mindfulness meditation. Focuses on being present and fully engaged in the current moment. 2. Guided meditation. Involves a teacher or recording guiding you through visualization exercises. 3. Breath awareness meditation. Concentrates on mindful breathing to center the mind. Choose the style that resonates with you and your goals. Your first meditation session. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to your first meditation. 1. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie comfortably, maintaining good posture. 2. Set a timer. Start with 5 to 10 minutes and gradually increase your session length. 3. Close your eyes. Gently close your eyes to minimize visual distractions. 4. Focus on your breath. Pay attention to your breathing, noticing each inhale and exhale. 5. Gently refocus. When your mind wanders, calmly bring your attention back to your breathing. Overcoming common meditation challenges. Many beginners face common challenges such as restlessness or mind wandering. Remember, these are normal experiences. Practice patience and consistency, gently guiding your focus back to your breath without judgment. How often should you meditate? Consistency is key. Aim for short daily sessions of 5 to 15 minutes to build a sustainable meditation habit. Over time, you can gradually extend your sessions. Incorporating meditation into your daily routine. Make meditation part of your daily routine by 1. Meditating at the same time each day. 2. Pairing meditation with existing habits, like after your morning coffee or before bedtime. 3. Using reminders or alarms to keep consistent. Utilizing technology in meditation. Leverage meditation apps or guided online sessions to enhance your practice. Popular apps like Calm, Headspace, or Insight Timer offer beginner-friendly resources to support your journey. Meditation and physical activity. Pairing meditation with physical activities such as yoga or walking can amplify its benefits, creating a holistic wellness routine that supports both mind and body. Tracking your meditation progress. Keeping a meditation journal or using an app to track sessions helps visualize progress, boosting motivation and consistency. Common myths about meditation. 1. Meditation requires hours. Effective meditation can happen in just a few minutes each day. 2. You must completely clear your mind. Meditation is about observing thoughts without judgment, not eliminating them entirely. Dispelling these myths helps create realistic expectations and ensures a rewarding meditation experience. Conclusion. Embrace your journey to serenity. Meditation offers profound benefits even in small, consistent doses. With these foundational steps, you're now ready to cultivate mindfulness, reduce stress, and enhance your overall wellness. Begin today and discover the path to lasting serenity.